Meaning of Lord Charles Cornwallis.
Lord Charles Cornwallis.
Lord Charles Cornwallis.
Lord Charles Cornwallis.
Lord Charles Cornwallis. Lord Charles Cornwallis was a British Army officer and colonial administrator who lived from 1738 to 1805. He is best known for his role in the American Revolutionary War, where he served as the Commander-in-Chief of British forces in the southern colonies. Cornwallis led several successful campaigns early in the war but was ultimately defeated at the Battle of Yorktown in 1781, which effectively ended the conflict. He later served as the Governor-General of India from 1786 to 1793.